Apple might be making its biggest iPhone lineup change in years. A new report says the iPhone 17 Pro Max is gone, and in its place, we're getting the iPhone 17 Ultra. But what does this mean for Apple's flagship lineup? Let's break it down. According to a new supply chain report, Apple is planning to rebrand the iPhone 17 Pro Max as the iPhone 17 Ultra, and it's not just a name change. This could mean exclusive upgrades, a new design, and of course, a higher price tag. Why Ultra? Apple has already used the Ultra branding for its Apple Watch Ultra and M Ultra chips, so bringing it to the iPhone would create a clear product hierarchy. It also gives Apple the chance to push its top-tier iPhone even further away from the regular Pro models. What's new with the iPhone 17 Ultra? Smaller dynamic island for a cleaner display. Vapor chamber cooling for better performance. Bigger battery, but also a slightly thicker design. New titanium aluminum alloy for a lighter, more durable build. 6.6-inch LTPO OLED display. A 19 bionic chip on a 2 nanometers process for insane speed and efficiency. What about the rest of the lineup? It's not just the Ultra model getting a shakeup. Apple might also be replacing the Plus model with an iPhone 17 Air. If true, this could mean a thinner, lighter design, much like Apple's MacBook Air and iPad Air. What's next? If Apple sticks to its usual schedule, the iPhone 17 lineup will launch in September 2025. But with more leaks and rumors dropping soon, we could learn even more game-changing details before then. So, what do you think? Is an iPhone 17 Ultra a good move, or just a fancy rebrand? And will the iPhone 17 Air be the new fan favorite? Drop your thoughts below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Sentry Tech for the latest iPhone leaks and tech news.